In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and execute a workflow using n8n. Now, if you haven't heard of n8n before, it's an amazing tool for automating tasks across different applications, making your workflows smoother and more efficient. Whether you're integrating apps or automating tedious tasks, n8n has got you covered. First things first, let's start by ensuring that you have the JSON file you want to import. This file contains the configuration of the workflow you'd like to use within n8n. It's always a good practice to double-check the source and content of this file to make sure it's coming from a reliable place. Download it to a location on your computer that's easy to access, like your desktop or a designated folder, so you can find it when needed. Once you've got your JSON file ready, the next step is to access your n8n instance. This is typically a unique URL that allows you to interact with your personal setup of n8n. Open your web browser and enter your instance URL. It's a good idea to bookmark this URL for quick access later on. If you're prompted, simply log in with your credentials to start managing your workflows. Now that you're in, navigate over to the Workflows section of your n8n dashboard. This area is designed to manage all your workflows, giving you a clear overview of what's currently running and what's available to you. Look around to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Here comes the exciting part: importing your workflow. To do this, find the import options within your workflow management area. You may see a button or link labeled Import or something similar. Click on that and a new window will appear, prompting you to select a file. This is where you locate the JSON file you've already downloaded. Click on the button or link to browse your computer's directories, select the JSON file from its location, and confirm your choice by clicking Open or Choose. Make sure you're selecting the correct file to avoid importing incorrect data. After selecting the file, confirm the import by following the on-screen instructions. n8n will now process the file and integrate the workflow into your library. This process is typically quick, but make sure to keep an eye on any alerts or messages that may pop up, just in case there are additional confirmations or steps that need to be addressed. Once your workflow is imported, you might want to customize it. Depending on your specific needs or preferences, some tweaks might be necessary. Feel free to adjust any parameters or settings to better fit your use case. This is a great opportunity to enhance the workflow and ensure it's tailored to your specific needs. Finally, save your changes and execute the workflow to see it in action. You can monitor its progress through the logs or summary provided by n8n. And there you go. Your imported workflow is up and running. With a bit of practice, you'll become even more proficient at managing and customizing workflows using n8n. Thank you for joining me today and happy automating.